Hey guys, today we are going to unbox the Flipkart Perfect Homes Tripod Floor Lamp, priced at just 1499. Let's see how the build quality is, how easy it is to assemble, and whether it's really worth your money. Stay till the end because I'll also share my final rating and honest opinion after full setup. Design and build quality. It comes with a modern tripod look and 3 shelves for decor or essential. Perfect for living room, bedroom or studio setup. The finish looks premium for this price. Build quality is decent, not very heavy duty but stable enough. Lighting performance. It comes with a Halonix 9W Astron Plus gold color LED bulb. It gives a warm golden glow which looks really premium and cozy. This lamp is perfect for mood lighting, bedroom setup, background lighting for videos. Final verdict and rating. So, should you buy this? If you are looking for a budget-friendly aesthetic floor lamp for your room setup, then this is definitely a great option. Our rating 9 on 10.